Happy Easter! And let's make breakfast. I made a sandwich last month but I forgot how, that's why I'm recording now. Let's see what I can remember. Okay, I prepared all that I need just near me. I'm using this flat pan. I bought this 2 years ago and it's still good, really, as long as you take good care of it. I don't use it all the time but I have used this many times. Okay, the pan is heated. I'll brush oil on the surface. Also brush the inner and outer layer of this egg molder. I'll heat the bread too. Take note, not toasted, just heated. At yun na nga, di pa ganoong kainit ang mantika pero nilagay na ang itlog. My bad, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang gutom. Salt and pepper sa egg and slightly beaten. Then, I remove the molder pero dahil very low heat lang, di gaanong nag-form ang egg but that's okay. I don't really need the perfect circle, basta wag lang sobrang kalat. After removing the bread, I added another egg and chicken ham. Yes, no pork in the house. Don't forget salt and pepper on the egg. Ayan na, natatakam na ang pusa ko. But sorry oatmeal, walang sayo. Oops, at pinahirapan pa talaga ako ng itlog na to. Next, I put mayo on the bread before putting the egg. I forgot if I added ketchup before but I will add now. Just a little. Medyo may effort ang breakfast kasi walang pasok and dalaw lang naman kaming kakain. Okay, I did the same on the other bread. Next, added the ham, cheese, and top bread. For the cheese, I just did it like this para hindi siya ganun karami at the same time malalasahan mo pa rin yung cheese. Then, prepared the hot drinks. Milk for me and Milo for my partner. And this is how it looks like, not looking generous like other content, but for me this is the normal serving. And let me take a bite. Ooh, I love it. Let's eat.